A lot of West Coast swing dancers talk about connection to the arm and connection to your partner, but today Megan's going to share a concept called connecting to yourself that's going to help you improve the feel and the look of your West Coast swing. The arm, or specifically...
being connected to yourself.
Explain that to us.
So, these muscles throughout your core into your arm need to be connected and engaged just a little bit, so that when the leader tells you to do something, your body follows your arm versus your arm just swinging back and forth without you moving with it.
And that's a super hard skill. So we're going to do this in isolation. I know if you're a beginner, it's really hard because beginners tend to, we're just happy that the arm moves where they go, right? So we'll get there. So we've got the arms. Now there's a couple of different drills. I'm going to use mine first, and I'm going to use a prop. And then we're going to have Megan do hers. So Megan, we're going to put that there. The way I used to teach this is a purse, or where I grew up, it's a pocketbook in New England.
Except for a pocketbook you cannot put on your arm.
No, but we called it a pocketbook in New England. If you guys are watching from New England, if I drop that down there, whoop, like it would basically drop this to the same level, right? I don't want it here. I don't want that the low point. But if I think my elbow's the low point, right? And then if I were to even move further away from that, that's cool, but this is always drawing down, what Megan calls connecting to yourself. Megan has, oh, I don't want to throw this, it's nice.
It's like, oh, that's a purse, don't throw that.
That's my niece behind the camera. That's Dawn, and I didn't want to just chuck that.
Hi.
All right, so
hold that.
I am now a doorknob.
All right, so the way that I teach these muscles getting engaged is for you to hook one of these, I used to call them a TheraBand, but I think it's a...
TheraBand. Yeah.
TheraBand, no, sorry.
You can get them on the internet. They're really cheap.
You're going to pull back on that stretch, and you'll feel those muscles start to engage. It's not that you're really pulling back on your partner all that much, but it teaches you how to connect those muscles to your core. And it just kind of tells you when they're working.
Bingo. And when I started West Coast Swing, we were just told to grab onto like a doorknob because we didn't have Amazon and this stuff. So this, you can get this really cheap on Amazon. You don't even have to have a partner.
Hey, look, you can throw that one.
Yep. So we're now connected into ourselves, into our body. We've established our away connection, right? If you want to learn everything about connection in West Coast Swing, including a type of connection that's not often spoken about, but a lot of high-level people use, you'll want to watch our complete guide to connection right here. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other cool videos like this. We'll see you on the dance floor.